channel, and today I'm going to tell you a poem on nature. First, I'll give you a little introduction, then we'll start with the poem. Nature is a beautiful gift that surrounds us with colorful flowers, tall trees, flowing rivers and cheerful birds. Let us appreciate and protect nature because it makes our world a wonderful place to live in. Now let's talk about its beauty through this poem. Nature is beautiful, calm and bright, a lovely world full of daylight. Trees sway gently, birds sing sweet, a peaceful scene where love meets. Rivers flow softly, sun shines bright, mountains stand tall in the morning light. Flowers bloom colorful, bees buzz free, birds dance from tree to tree. Green leaves sparkle after the rain, nature brings joy again and again. The cool breeze blows through the air. Nature's beauty is everywhere. Thank you all for watching my video. If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. Bye.